morning, everyone. May peace be on you all. Today, we will learn addition and subtraction of integers. This is basic of mathematics, and everybody should know it. If you know the basics of mathematics, then mathematics will become easy for you. Let's start. And it is helpful for students from 3rd standard to 10th standard. So be careful, look at the blackboard. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Important is why it is plus 8. The reason behind it is sum of positive integers is positive. That is the reason. Sum of positive integer is positive. When you add two positive integers, the result will be positive only. Keep in mind. And one more thing, keep in mind, same sign we add. And different sign we subtract. Now we will take one more example. -5 minus 3. The result will be -8. See here. Sum of positive integer is positive. Sum of negative integer is negative. This is very important. If you remember this, it will become easy for you. Sum of positive integer is positive. Sum of negative integer is negative. Same sign we add. Now, next. Different sign we subtract. Suppose -5 plus 3. The result will be -2. Why result is -2? First of all, this is important. If signs are different, we subtract. Same sign we add, different sign we subtract. And what about this sign? Why sign is minus? That is important. Most of the students do mistake here. Sign here minus because the sign of the greater number is minus. Because sign of the greater number is minus, that's why result will be minus. In subtraction, when signs are different, we do subtraction and we will take sign of the greater number. This keep in mind. Suppose question is -3 plus 5. Result will be +2. Why? First of all, why we do subtraction? That is important. Because signs are different. Now, if signs are different, we subtract. And we have to take sign of the greater number. Here greater number is 5, its sign is plus. That's why result will be +2. That's important, keep in mind. Next thing we will see the variables. Now, suppose question is 5x plus 3x, result will be 8x. When you add the variables, result will be in the form of variable only. Some students by mistake they used to write only 8. That is wrong answer. Right answer is 8x. The same thing happened with the sign. -5x minus 3x will give you minus 8x. As I told you before, same sign we add, different sign we subtract. Now, one more, we'll see the same example. Minus 5x plus 3x will give you minus 2x. Only difference is this variable. This variable is the only difference. If you add or subtract the numbers, result will be in the form of numbers. If you add or subtract the variables, result will be in the form of variable. Now suppose minus 3x plus 5x is equal to plus 2x. As I said, different sign we subtract, and in subtraction we have to take sign of the greater number. Here greater is 5x, his sign is plus, that's why plus 2x. Here greater is 5, his sign is minus, that's why minus 2x. Now one more thing I will show you. Suppose it is 5x minus 2y. 5x minus 2y. Some students used to write it as 3x, or they will write 3y. Some students, not all. Some students do this mistake. Now I will tell you something. How will you subtract the unlike terms? This is 5x, this is 2y. They are unlike terms. Only, keep in mind, this is important, only like terms can be added, can be subtracted. Unlike terms cannot be added, cannot be subtracted. These two are unlike terms. They are not like terms. See here, 5x, 3x, they are like terms. We can add, we can subtract also. But here, 5x minus 2x, it's wrong. We cannot add or we cannot subtract because they are unlike terms. Because they are unlike terms. Keep in mind. Only like terms can be added, can be subtracted. Unlike terms cannot be added, cannot be subtracted. Suppose 5x plus 2p cannot be 7x or 7p. It's wrong. We cannot add or we cannot subtract because they are unlike terms. Only like terms can be added, can be subtracted. One more example. Suppose 3p plus 2p. It will give you 5p. It will give you 5p. Like this, so many examples we can take. Suppose 3x square plus 2y square. 5x square. Some student is to write, or some student is to write 5y square. Both the results are wrong because they are unlike terms. Unlike terms cannot be added, cannot be subtracted. Like terms can be added, can be subtracted. 3y square plus y square will give you 4y square. They are like terms. 3y square plus y square, both are like terms. Like terms can be added, can be subtracted. 3y square plus y square will be 4y square. Suppose 10p square minus 3p square. They are like terms. They are like terms. Both have variable p square. It means it can be subtracted. 10p square minus 3p square will give you 7p square. Now, one more example. Suppose 7y square minus 7y square plus 3y square will give you minus 4y square. Minus 4y square. Signs are same or different? That is important first. First we have to see signs are same or different. Here signs are different. One is minus, another is plus. If signs are different, as I said, we have to subtract. So we subtract here. If you subtract 7 and 3, you will get 4. Y square variable will be as it is. See which is the greater number in 7 and 3. 7 is the greater number. What is the sign of the greater number? It's minus. So result will be in minus. So for today's class, I request all of you to practice these things, become perfect in all these things. Then we'll move ahead. We'll see multiplication. We'll see how to divide and everything. We'll see. First we learn the basics. Then we go ahead. Okay. Till that, thank you for listening me. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe the channel, Ahmed sir and Asrar sir. Thank you very much.